morning everyone. I am Nisha from BCom 4th Sem. Today I am here with an informative PPT which is deduction under chapter 6A. First of all, I would like to thank Jay Prakash sir for giving me this opportunity. Basically, before talking about any deduction, there are three parameters that we should keep in mind, which is deduction is given to whom, why the deduction is given, and how much deduction is given. Here, the first deduction, which is section 80 GGC. Basically, this is given to whom. It is available to all non-corporate SSC except local authority and artificial judicial person. And why this is given? This is given for donation to political party or electoral trust. And one thing that we must not forget, the mode of donation should be bank mode, not in cash or any other kind. And the amount of deduction will be 100% on such donation which is made to political party or electoral trust. And the second deduction, which is section 80 GGC, basically it's available to all Indian company for donation to political party or electoral trust. And the same as section 80 GGC, the mode of donation should be bank mode, not in cash or any other kind. And the amount of deduction will be 100% on such donation which is allowed under this section. And the third section, which is section 80 TTA, basically this is given to whom? It's available to all individual or HUs which stands for Hindu in undivided family but not having senior citizen. And why this is given? This is given for interest earned on saving account with bank, to which Banking Regulation Act 1949, Post Office and Cooperative Bank. And the amount of deduction is based on two factors, the actual amount of interest and rupees 10,000. Among these two, whichever is lower will be considered as amount of deduction under the section 80 TTA. And the third deduction, which is section 80 TTB, basically it has been provided to all senior citizens for interest earned on saving account and fixed deposits, bank, to which Banking Regulation Act 1949, Post Office and Cooperative Banks. And the amount of deduction is based on two factors, actual amount of interest and rupees 50,000. Among these two, whichever is lower will be considered as the amount of deduction under section 80 TTB. That's all from my side. Thank you.